wig install using Lace Ballet hair. Don't worry guys, I'll put everything in the bio so you can see. So you guys gotta do a voiceover because my daughter has the music up too loud in the back. So you will be hearing my voice throughout this whole video. So today I will be doing a wig install using Lace Ballet, 3 bundles and a frontal closure. I did go ahead and tag her at the bottom. If you can see right here, watch it pop up. Boop boop. Lace Ballet, go follow her. Please go check out her hair. Bomb, bomb, bomb. So now you want to just cut your wig cap, cut around your ears, cut around the back of your neck, cut around the front of your hairline. Make sure it is transparent as possible. Make sure it is cut down as I am cutting down. Ooh, Jesus. You put too much damn got to be glue on that thing, you know. It's hard to peel off. Like you take your damn skin with it too. Now that you cut it, I use Ghost Bond XL. To me, it's stronger. We have all the other colors, but I never know what it's for. I just know I love the blue one. It worked out perfect. We're gonna use that one. So yeah, I lost my comb. I'm looking for that. Lost my comb. So okay, got my comb back. I am laying down my cap, making sure it's as transparent to my skin as possible. Now, ladies, you want to make sure this is very laid because this is what's going to be shown under your frontal. Now, any bad cuts, any bad grooves, anything like that, you're going to see it. Please make sure you do not cut too much off either because you don't want your hair showing because then that's going to show as well. So now that you did your glue, just fill it about down with the cap. You want to go in to make sure the cap just blends. I use this tint lace right here. So you guys, I did update my tint now, and I use True Beauty Wellness. It hasn't came yet, but can't wait to use it. Can't wait to use it on my clients. As I've seen on Instagram and on their posts, they're the best. So let's see how it goes. But for now, I'm going to use this one. Soon I won't be using it. I'm going to spray that. Go in the crevices now. So even with the lace, you still want to spray some there on that lace. Again, I'm going to take the same, spray it down. That's done. I always take the blow dryer just to dry it. Fit perfectly. So that's how it is. Don't worry guys, I'm gonna blow dry it. But that's how it is. So what I'm doing now, I am going to cut around my ear perimeter. Make sure that is all tucked and secured with the lace. You want to do this on both sides. Make sure it's all even. Make sure nothing is cutting your ear. Oh my god, so you guys, so totally off topic, but oh my god, one time I cut the lace too close to my ear, and once I glued it down, when I say the lace was cutting the back of my ear, like, you would never think a wig can harm you, and that shit hurt. Like, my ear was bleeding, like I couldn't wear the wig until it healed. Like, it was just too much. Like, so now that you cut the perimeters behind your ears to make the lace fit even more secure around your head, you want to go ahead, well, this is how I cut my lace to apply, well, to glue down my lace. It's easier to me, and sometimes the other way, when you just lay it down without cutting, it tends to get bumps and lumps for me. So this is the easy way that I apply it. So I go ahead and put the glue. I usually put the like 2 layers just so it's like snugged and tugged. And yeah, keep watching. So you want to go ahead now and lay your lace. You want to do the middle first and then the sides. Go ahead and use the comb and push down on your skin. Make sure that it is attached to your skin. You ladies may use a blow dryer as well if you want to dry it a little bit faster. Then you want to go in and tack down the lace that's just, sticking up. I'm going to go ahead and show you that. Now we're going into the baby hairs. Yes, look how gorgeous this hair is. It's not even styled yet, and it looks bomb. Bombs.com. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and pluck out some of the hairs. Make sure it's not too much. Well, depending on how much baby hair you want. You can go ahead and pluck as much as you want out. So now that you already cut your baby hairs, I use Nairobi foam. It's the best foam. I like it because it's more thick and it's like for a wrapping press. And you know that thing is going to lay it down. It's the best foaming lotion I use here. So we're going to put the foam. It's a lot of foam, but don't worry, it'll dry up. Yeah, I'm going to do a middle one. Whoa, so whoop. So whoop. So whoop. So whoop. So you want to go ahead and get a little styling wrapping. I don't even know what you call these. Wrappers? Wraps? I forgot what you call them. But you want to get a wrap and wrap the edges. Want to make sure all the edges covered so it can lay properly and dry properly. Thank you guys for watching. Oh my God, look at that. It is laid, honey. Laid. Thank you guys for watching. If you can go ahead and like, comment, subscribe to my channel. I can't wait to show you guys what I have in store. Thank you.